down here in Moncton, New Brunswick, for the funeral of Aaron Robertson. We had a ceremonial ride for her and all the fallens throughout the world. We're going to try and get a message out for everybody. Look twice, save a life. And there'll be online listings helping. I'll be selling vinyl decals, and the listings will be available online. I'll try and post them on as many websites as possible and make them available for anybody out there. All the support we can get is greatly appreciated. Thank you.
That was a great job.
All our awareness decals will be available online before too long. I'll post them with this video, a link in this video, and many others will share it. Thanks a lot, guys. Let's make awareness happen real.